10 best places to visit in Portugal. Hola, everyone. Welcome back to Travel Treasures. Today we're embarking on a journey through one of Europe's most captivating destinations, Portugal. From historic cities to stunning beaches, Portugal has something for every type of traveler. So, grab your passport and join us as we explore the 10 best places to visit in Portugal. Lisbon. Lisbon, the vibrant capital of Portugal, effortlessly blends a rich tapestry of history, culture, and modernity. As you navigate its cobbled streets, you'll encounter an enchanting mix of pastel-colored buildings adorned with intricate azulejo tiles, each telling a story of the city's intricate past. The air is filled with the lively sounds of fado, Portugal's soulful traditional music, echoing through charming neighborhoods like Alfama and Bairro Alto. Iconic landmarks such as the imposing São Jorge Castle and the picturesque Belém Tower stand testament to Lisbon's historical significance. Indulge your taste buds in the bustling food markets, savoring the world-renowned pastel de nata and other delectable Portuguese delights. With its panoramic views from Miradouros, the nostalgic clatter of iconic trams, and a riverside adorned with inviting cafes, Lisbon captivates visitors with its timeless beauty and warm, welcoming spirit. Porto. Porto, a city nestled along the banks of the Douro River in northern Portugal, captivates visitors with its old-world charm and lively spirit. Renowned for its centuries-old wine trade, Porto is a UNESCO World Heritage Site with a rich history reflected in its diverse architecture. The iconic Dom Luís Bridge spans the river, connecting the vibrant Ribeira district on one side with the port wine cellars of Vila Nova de Gaia on the other. Narrow, winding streets lead to colorful houses adorned with traditional azulejo tiles, creating a picturesque backdrop for exploration. Immerse yourself in the city's cultural heritage at the Livraria Lello, one of the world's most beautiful bookstores, or explore the historic São Bento railway station, adorned with stunning tilework. Don't forget to sample the city's signature dish, the francesinha, and, of course, indulge in the world-famous port wine during a guided tour of the cellars. Porto's unique blend of history, culture, and culinary delights ensures an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Sintra. Sintra, a fairy tale-like town nestled in the lush hills of the Serra de Sintra, casts a spell on visitors with its romantic ambience and enchanting landscapes. A UNESCO World Heritage Site, Sintra is renowned for its stunning palaces, historic estates, and verdant forests. The colorful Pena Palace, perched atop a hill, is a masterpiece of romantic architecture, boasting vibrant hues and intricate detailing. The Moorish castle, with its ancient walls and panoramic views, invites you to step back in time. As you wander through Sintra's narrow cobblestone streets, the scent of blooming flowers fills the air, creating a magical atmosphere. The town's National Palace, with its iconic twin chimneys, adds to the architectural richness. Explore the mystical Quinta de Regaleira, with its secret passages and mystical symbols, or stroll through the exotic gardens of Montserrat Palace. Sintra's charm extends beyond its historic sites. It's a haven for nature lovers and those seeking a whimsical escape from the ordinary. A day spent in Sintra is a journey into a storybook realm, where every corner reveals a new chapter of Portugal's captivating history and natural beauty. Algarve. Welcome to the Algarve, Portugal's sun-kissed southernmost region, where golden beaches, dramatic cliffs, and azure waters create a breathtaking coastal paradise. Stretching along the Atlantic Ocean, the Algarve is a haven for beach enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. Quaint fishing villages and bustling resort towns line the coastline, each offering a unique blend of tradition and modernity. The region is known for its stunning sea caves, hidden grottos, and towering limestone cliffs, particularly in places like Lagos and Albufeira. The expansive sandy beaches, such as Praia de Marinha and Praia de Felicia, invite you to unwind and soak up the Mediterranean sun. Explore the charming town of Lagos with its historic walls and maritime heritage, or venture into the rugged beauty of the Ponta de Piedade for panoramic views of the coastline. The Algarve is not only a beach lover's paradise but also a golf enthusiast's dream, with world-class golf courses set against stunning backdrops. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a taste of local seafood delicacies, the Algarve promises an unforgettable experience, where the beauty of nature harmonizes with the warmth of Portuguese hospitality. Évora. Évora, a city steeped in history and UNESCO listed as a World Heritage Site, welcomes visitors with its timeless charm and well-preserved architectural treasures. Nestled in the scenic Alentejo region of Portugal, Évora boasts a rich cultural heritage that spans various civilizations, leaving an indelible mark on its cobblestone streets. The city is adorned with medieval walls and historic landmarks, including the impressive Roman temple, which stands as a testament to Évora's ancient past. The Sé Cathedral, with its Gothic and Romanesque elements, and the picturesque Chapel of Bones, Capela dos Ossos, adorned with human skulls and bones, offer glimpses into the city's religious and macabre history. Wander through the labyrinthine streets of the Old Town, where whitewashed houses adorned with colorful azulejos create a picturesque setting. Don't miss the Giraldo Square, the heart of Évora, surrounded by cafes and overlooked by the imposing Church of St. Anthony. Évora is also home to the University of Évora, adding a vibrant and youthful energy to the city. As you explore the city's rich tapestry of architectural styles, from Moorish to Renaissance, you'll discover a harmonious blend of the past and the present. The surrounding Alentejo landscapes, with their vineyards and olive groves, add to Évora's allure, making it a destination that captures the essence of Portugal's cultural and historical legacy. Coimbra. Welcome to Coimbra, a city where tradition and academia harmonize along the banks of the serene Mondego River. As the home to one of the oldest universities in the world, the University of Coimbra, this charming city exudes an intellectual and cultural ambience that is both captivating and historic. The university's Joanina Library, with its Baroque architecture and resident family of bats protecting ancient books, is a must-see for bibliophiles. The Royal Palace of Alcacova offers a glimpse into the city's medieval past, while the botanical beauty of the Botanical Garden invites peaceful strolls amid diverse plant species. The city's skyline is dominated by the university's iconic bell tower, providing panoramic views of Coimbra and the surrounding landscapes. Wander through the narrow streets of the historic center, where fado music often echoes from quaint taverns, and visit the Santa Clara Velha Monastery, reflecting the city's religious heritage. Coimbra's soul is deeply connected to the Mondego River, and a leisurely stroll along its banks or a boat ride reveals a different perspective of the city. As the birthplace of 6 Portuguese kings, Coimbra is a city that breathes history and academia, creating an atmosphere that is both intellectually stimulating and romantically nostalgic. Whether you're drawn to its medieval architecture, vibrant cultural scene, or scenic river views, Coimbra invites you to explore its timeless charm and rich heritage. Douro Valley. Welcome to the enchanting Douro Valley, a UNESCO-listed region in northern Portugal where terraced vineyards, meandering riverbanks, and charming wine estates converge to create a picturesque and unforgettable landscape. Renowned worldwide for its production of port wine, the Douro Valley unfolds along the sinuous course of the Douro River, surrounded by rolling hills covered with meticulously manicured vineyards. The journey through the Douro Valley is a visual feast, with each bend in the river revealing terraced slopes adorned with grapevines that change hues with the seasons. Traditional quintas, wine estates, dot the landscape, welcoming visitors to explore the winemaking process and sample some of the finest wines Portugal has to offer. Don't miss a relaxing river cruise, which allows you to soak in the breathtaking scenery while savoring local wines. The picturesque towns of Paço de Régua and Pinho serve as gateways to the region, offering a blend of history and hospitality. Immerse yourself in the local culture by exploring historic wine cellars, indulging in regional cuisine, and taking in the panoramic views from scenic viewpoints. The Douro Valley is not only a paradise for wine enthusiasts but also a haven for nature lovers, with hiking trails that meander through the vineyards and provide glimpses of the region's unique flora and fauna. Whether you're a wine connoisseur, a nature enthusiast, or simply seeking a tranquil escape, the Douro Valley promises an authentic and immersive experience, inviting you to savor the rich flavors of Portugal's winemaking heritage amid a landscape of unparalleled beauty. Braga. Welcome to Braga, a city that seamlessly blends its rich religious history with a vibrant modern energy, creating a captivating destination in the heart of Portugal. Often referred to as the Rome of Portugal, Braga stands as a testament to its deep-rooted cultural and architectural heritage. At the heart of the city lies the majestic Bom Jesus do Monte Sanctuary, a Baroque masterpiece perched atop a hill. The monumental staircase leading to the sanctuary is a symbol of spiritual pilgrimage and offers panoramic views of the city below. The Sé de Braga, the city's cathedral, is an architectural gem that has witnessed centuries of history, and its presence is a reminder of Braga's importance in the religious landscape. Wander through Braga's medieval streets and discover the Arco de Porta Nova, a triumphal arch that serves as a gateway to the historic center. The city squares, such as Praça da República, come alive with bustling markets and cultural events, providing a glimpse into the vibrant daily life of Braga. The Garden of Santa Barbara, with its tranquil fountains and centuries-old trees, offers a peaceful retreat in the heart of the city. Braga is not only a city of religious significance but also a hub for education, with the University of Minho contributing to its lively atmosphere. The fusion of historic charm and youthful energy is evident in the modern cafes, boutiques, and cultural spaces that dot the cityscape. As you explore Braga, you'll find a city where tradition and modernity coexist harmoniously, inviting visitors to delve into its rich past while embracing the dynamic spirit of the present. Whether you're drawn to its religious landmarks, historic architecture, or the lively pulse of contemporary life, Braga offers a multifaceted experience that showcases the diverse facets of Portuguese culture. Aveiro. Welcome to Aveiro, a coastal gem often referred to as the Venice of Portugal. Nestled along the shores of the Atlantic Ocean, Aveiro is a picturesque town renowned for its charming canals, colorful Malacero boats, and distinctive Art Nouveau architecture. As you wander through the city, the lively canals crisscrossing Aveiro steal the spotlight. Hop aboard a Malacero boat to explore these waterways, passing under charming bridges adorned with vibrant flowers. The unique boats, once used for harvesting seaweed, are now a symbol of Aveiro's maritime history and offer a delightful way to experience the city. Aveiro's historic center is a treasure trove of architectural wonders, with its Art Nouveau buildings adding a touch of elegance to the streets. The University of Aveiro, a modern institution with a striking campus, contributes to the city's youthful and vibrant atmosphere. Indulge your taste buds in the local culinary delights, with ovos moles, sweet egg pastries, being a must-try treat. The lively Mercado do Peixe, or fish market, is a hub of activity where you can sample fresh seafood and local produce. For a dose of relaxation, head to the nearby beaches, such as Costa Nova, known for its vibrant striped houses. The peaceful dunes and golden sands provide a tranquil escape along the coastline. Aveiro seamlessly blends its maritime heritage, artistic flair, and natural beauty, offering visitors a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you're exploring the canals, savoring local cuisine, or simply enjoying the laid-back atmosphere, Aveiro invites you to discover the charm that has earned it the nickname, Portugal's Little Venice. Madeira. Welcome to Madeira, a paradisiacal island in the Atlantic Ocean that captivates visitors with its lush landscapes, vibrant flora, and welcoming culture. Known as the Pearl of the Atlantic, Madeira offers a perfect blend of natural beauty, outdoor adventures, and charming urban experiences. The capital city, Funchal, is a bustling hub that combines historic charm with modern amenities. Explore the historic Old Town, where cobbled streets lead to lively markets, local shops, and traditional restaurants. The farmers' market, Mercado dos Lavradores, is a sensory delight, filled with exotic fruits, flowers, and regional delicacies. Madeira's botanical diversity is on full display in the enchanting Monte Palace Tropical Garden and the Jardim Botanico, showcasing an array of colorful flowers, rare plants, and towering trees. For panoramic views of the island, take a cable car ride to Monte, where you can enjoy breathtaking vistas of Funchal on the coastline. Nature lovers will find a haven in Madeira's extensive network of levadas, ancient irrigation channels that now serve as picturesque hiking trails. The island's rugged terrain and volcanic landscapes make it an ideal destination for outdoor enthusiasts, with opportunities for trekking, canyoning, and birdwatching. Madeira's coastline is dotted with charming fishing villages, such as Camara de Lobos and Porto Moniz, where you can savor fresh seafood while taking in the Atlantic views. The island's mild climate makes it a year-round destination, inviting visitors to enjoy its natural wonders and cultural richness. Whether you're exploring the levadas, relaxing on golden beaches, or immersing yourself in the local festivities, Madeira invites you to experience the warmth of its people and the breathtaking beauty that has earned it a reputation as one of Europe's most alluring destinations. And there you have it, folks, the 10 best places to visit in Portugal. Whether you're into history, beaches, or scenic landscapes, Portugal has something to offer every traveler. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Travel Treasures, and hit that notification bell for more travel inspiration. Until next time, bom viagem. Safe travels.